Alright guys, Abstract out again with another quick box opening for you. Trust me, the true unboxings are coming soon, and this PC build is happening soon. And that's because this part is here. As you can see, it says it's from Newegg. It is not from Newegg. It is from a seller named KSI Mall. Now, I would like to give KSI Mall the benefit of the doubt and assume that his tracking information wasn't updating correctly. But I'll tell you the story, and you can make your own judgment about the guy, group, whatever. I ordered the power supply from him, and the day after it said shipping label made, awaiting pickup. And at that point, from my understanding, to do a return, you have to get the item and send it back. It sat like that the whole time until the day before. No, it was yesterday. Until yesterday, when I emailed him saying that I want my item or I want my money back. And I mentioned that I would spend all the time I should be spending building a PC, letting people know about KSI Mall. The next day, we had holy crap, this is huge. We had it going through UPS instead of FedEx, which is another thing I suggested in the message that I didn't just mention to you guys. I'll just do an unboxing for you. I might as well. I'm so close to building this thing. But yeah, next day he did UPS. It was going through UPS instead of FedEx, and it was on the way. And I think that was actually, the day before yesterday. And now it's here today. I also contacted every other seller, letting them know that my ratings and returns might be late because of a possibly shady seller. Newegg said they would contact that seller themselves. So I don't know if it was what I said. I don't know if it was Newegg contacting them themselves. Or like I said, it could honestly be that this is a good guy in a bad situation. But when I read the reviews, people had experienced the exact same thing. I don't know why you want a bag for your power supply, but sweet, I got a bag. Alright. And it comes in another bag. Are you supposed to cut this bag open? Does it operate in the bag? Oh, it's here. I knew it didn't. That was dumb to say, but there she is, ladies and gentlemen. 1000 watt